If you guys want to know how to take your hair from this to this in just a few easy steps, stick around. So for the first step, you want to grab a spray bottle and spray your hair with some water. During this whole process, water is going to be your best friend. It's going to be very hard to get good results at the end without adding any water. So yeah, just keep adding some more water until you feel satisfied with the amount that you put. So after spraying my hair with water, I usually stretch out my roots with my fingers, but not to the point where I'm separating my curls. Alright, so now I'm going in with my styling product that's already inside of my hair and just using a little bit more of it. Honestly guys, if I'm being totally honest with you, I'm not buying any more gels other than the Duke's Big Papa gel. The Duke's is just unmatched, to be honest. Like, it's just so compatible with my hair. It gets the job done. There's no flaking, it's just perfect. So with the back and forth motion with my hands that I use when I apply the gel, it gets my ends pretty frizzy. So what I do, I take some more gel and just apply it to my ends so that they stay defined. And then when I'm done, I just separate them. But yeah, this is what the end result of my hair looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments. But yeah, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite part about this video. And also let me know if you guys have any video ideas for me. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys on the next vid. Peace.